Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss Python syntax. Okay. So Python syntax can be executed by writing the command by writing directly in the command line. Okay. For example, I'm just printing something. Hello Keshika. Okay, hit enter. So directly writing the command on the command line. Okay, I'm just getting the output. Okay, so this in represents the input. Okay, out represents the output. So directly I can write the comments in the comment line. Okay. Next one, indentation is very important. Indentation is nothing but spaces at the beginning of the code. Okay. The other programming languages, indentation is just for readability. Okay. Say for example, I'm just developing a code for binary PSK transmitter and receiver. So just for the transmitter block, okay, and the receiver block, okay, I'm going to give I'm going to leave some spaces just for the readability. Okay, but in Python it's not like that. It is very important to maintain the indentation. Okay, so if you maintain indentation, it indicates that it is a block of code. It is a block of code. For example, x comma y is equal to 5 comma 2. Okay, so I'm just using some if else. Okay, anyway, in the separate video we'll be discussing this if elif. Okay, if x greater than y. Okay, for if I'm going to terminate with colon. Then if I hit enter, you can obviously see there is a indentation of a tab space. Again, this indentation it can be any number of tab spaces. Only thing is it should be uniformly given. Okay, so let me print something. Print if x greater than y. I am just printing x is greater than y. Okay, then print y is lesser than x. Okay, if x greater than y, print x is greater than y, then y is lesser than x. Let me hit enter. You just see, since x is 5, y is 2, the condition is true, then the two print statements are getting printed. So what I'm doing now, I'm just increasing the tab space. Okay, 3 tab space, 1, 2, 3. Now I am executing. It is not displaying any error. So this indentation tells that below this if, okay, these are the block of code. If the condition is true, all this block is getting executed. Okay, if I don't give the indentation properly, say for example, first line, the indentation is 2 tab space, whereas for the second print it is 3 tab space. If I hit enter, it is showing, you just see indentation error. Okay, it is indentation error. Another thing, if I don't give indentation, that case also we'll discuss. Okay, I'm not giving indentation. Okay, if I hit enter, again it is showing indentation error. So minimum of one tab space that is required. Max, you can go for more than that. Only thing is the block of code should have the uniform indentation. Okay, so minimum of one tab space is required. That's why here you can notice there is some error. Okay. Then Python variables. Okay. Python variables, actually there is no separate command for declaring a variable, but once you assign a value to the variable directly, the variable is created. Okay. For example, h is equal to 20. That's it. Okay. You can notice that h value is integer with the value 20. It is created. The variable is created. Okay. We have assigned the value. Once you assign the value, automatically the variable is created. The corresponding data type is also assigned. Okay. I'm not specifying that h is an integer, but if you type h, automatically, okay, the corresponding data type is assigned. Similarly, g is equal to some name, akshara. Okay. Automatically you just see the variable is created. Okay. G, it stores the value akshara. It is basically of string type. Type G, it is string. Okay. Then comments. Okay, comments. So I'm just writing a program. Okay, I'm just writing a lengthy program. It contains various blocks. Okay, I just want to introduce. I don't want certain lines to be executed. Okay, these lines are just for my understanding. I don't want those lines to be executed, or certain test code, certain lines of the test code I don't want to execute. In such cases, I can go for comments. Okay, so hash symbol that actually indicates comments. So Python will ignore that particular line. For example, this is my first program. Okay, then I am Dr. Vinod. Okay, see, these are not executed. Then I'm just writing my first program, print hello. Okay, only this is executed. These are comment lines. Okay, anyway, we'll be discussing comment lines in a separate video. Okay, so in this video we have discussed how syntax, okay, are used in Python. Okay, I'll stop here.